Are you unknowingly harming your bottle brush plant? Yes, you might be. Bottle brush plants are stunning, but if you don't care for them the right way, they can quickly start looking sad and sick. Today, I'm going to reveal some super simple tips to keep your bottle brush plant thriving year-round. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. Ready to turn things around? Let's dive in. The bottle brush plant, with its bright red, spiky flowers, is a favorite for many gardeners. But even though it's tough, it still needs a little TLC to truly shine. If your plant isn't looking as good as it should, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the best ways to keep it healthy and gorgeous. Proper sunlight. First things first, sunlight. Bottle brush plants love full sun. So if yours is in the shade, that's a big no-no. Move it to a sunny spot where it can soak up at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Too little sunlight can cause fewer blooms and slower growth. But with the right amount, your plant will burst into color and stay happy, watering wisely. Now let's talk about watering. Overwatering is one of the biggest mistakes people make with bottle brush plants. You don't want the soil to stay soggy. Water deeply, but make sure the soil has time to dry out between watering sessions. A simple trick: stick your finger an inch into the soil if it feels dry. It's time to water. Fertilize lightly. Fertilizing can help your bottle brush grow faster and bloom better, but don't overdo it. These plants don't need heavy feeding. A slow-release, balanced fertilizer once in spring and again in midsummer will do the trick. Too much fertilizer can burn the roots and lead to weak growth. Prune for health. Pruning might sound intimidating, but it's really simple. After the blooming season, give your plant a light trim to remove dead flowers and shape it up. This not only keeps your bottle brush looking tidy, but also encourages new growth for next season. Plus, it stops the plant from getting too leggy. Watch out for pests. Even though bottle brush plants are hardy, pests like aphids and spider mites can sometimes cause trouble. Keep an eye out for small bugs on the leaves or flowers. If you spot any, a quick rinse with water or a mild soap spray can get rid of them fast. And there you have it. A few simple steps to keep your bottle brush plant healthy and bursting with color. Sun, proper watering, a bit of fertilizer, and some light pruning, that's all it takes. Follow these tips, and your bottle brush plant will thrive for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.